one is very light and cream. And pistachio cake and raspberry jam. Hello, my name is Patrick. I come from Paris and I decided to move here to follow my daughter to study in California. And I opened this store for gelato and desserts. It's typically French dessert and French specialties. I make only dessert and gelato sorbet. Unfortunately, I can't make croissant bread. A lot of people ask me to make it, but it's too small. I need more space for that. So, since 4 years, I make more and more cakes now.